In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. Navigating the collaborative environment of Microsoft Teams can be a game changer for efficiency at work, and knowing how to effectively manage channels within Teams is essential for structuring your projects and communications. To start, let's open Microsoft Teams. Once launched, take a look at the left navigation pane. You will see all your teams listed here, each team serving as a hub for different groups or projects. Select the team where you'd like to add a new channel. Click on the ellipsis, also known as the three dots next to your team's name, and a menu will appear. From this list, click on the option that says Add Channel. This will bring up a prompt. Here, you need to provide a name for your new channel. Choose something relevant and descriptive because this name will help your team identify the channel's purpose with ease. You can also include a description to further clarify what this channel will be used for. Think of this as a helpful note for anyone new who might join the team later on. Next, you'll see the privacy settings. You have the choice between standard, which means everyone on the team can join, and private, which limits access to a few select members. Consider what works best for your team's needs. For most cases, standard will suffice unless you're dealing with sensitive information or need to organize focus groups. After configuring the privacy settings, hit the Add button. Your new channel will now appear under the team list. Congratulations, you've just created a new channel. Now, let's talk about managing it. When hovering over the newly created channel, click on the three dots next to its name. You're presented with several options here. To customize the channel, select Manage Channel. This area serves as your control center for settings, member permissions, and moderation capabilities. If at any point you need to rename the channel or update its description, this is the place to do it. You can also manage who can post messages if you have chosen moderation settings. This can be particularly useful in keeping focused discussions and minimizing distractions in busy channels. Another handy feature is the ability to pin the channel to the top of your list for easy access, ensuring you don't miss any important updates or discussions. Remember, communication and organization are key. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your channel settings can greatly enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. So, dive in, explore, and make the most out of your collaborative workspace. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating and managing channels in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll find this guide helpful in your day-to-day teamwork.